So if you have an electric car like me that is not a Tesla or does not have the Tesla port like some cars like the new Hyundai Ioniq 5 have, they don't have the NAX port. And you have this charging, which is the J1772 charging. See this? This is the Tesla charger. Won't fit. Doesn't fit. You need to get an adapter like this. They sent me this to review, and I thank them for that. It's IP55 waterproof. Comes in this little satchel here, so you just keep this. If you have an electric car, you want to have one of these and keep it. Even if you can charge at home with a normal charger, you want to have one of these on you. This is nice and slim. Has a little lock down here, which is nice. It's a spot you could put like a little carabiner on it. You can see the pins here, so it's going to go onto your Tesla charger like this. Now it's locked in place. Yep, you can open it. Oh yeah, look at it. It has this tab right here. So people aren't going to be able to, very unlikely someone will get it off. That's a nice design. I really like that. A little chrome up there, pins in the front. Put it on here, lock it, and then your car's going to lock this part to it. So that's pretty cool. So they might be able to unplug you, but they're not going to be able to take this. Nice latch right here. Good adapters. And then you plug it in. Just wait a second. Boop. Whoa, sorry, it's windy. And you can see those blue lights on the dash. That means my car is charging. See those blue lights right there? That means it's charging. So just to confirm, you can see charging. It's already at 90%. So I'm not going to use it to charge right now. But you can see everything's charging. Everything's working good. You can see it's very compact. Some of these are really big. I really like this one. It says it's up to 19 kilowatts. So this is not going to work on a supercharger. Those ones that are red and white with the big hoops that are fast chargers, level 3 superchargers, it's going to work on your destination chargers. And you're thinking, well, if it doesn't work on a supercharger, why do I want it? Well, you never know where you're going to be that might have charging. Sometimes they say, like a hotel says it has charging, and they're all Teslas, because Tesla had a big campaign back in the day with hotels to put these destination chargers places. So then you can still end up charging at a hotel, and if you're on a trip, that's going to save you from having to fast charge later. Hotels, some wineries around here have them. You just never know. You could be at a friend's house, and also you might want one of these just because there's, a lot of, you just want to be able to be prepared for any situation, and this is going to definitely help you do that. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.